My video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the ransomware, which is called ORCA. ORCA is a ransomware that affects many computers right now. The ransomware encrypts and damages the files, pictures, music, Microsoft Office, and other data. You can see that before the ransomware attack, we were able to open our files without troubles. However, regretfully, because of certain existing leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this ORCA ransomware may be easily injected into the computer, and because of that, pretty soon people realize that they cannot open their data anymore. The ransomware encrypts the files and then damages them considerably. So now you can see the consequences of the ransomware attack. The ransomware drops this ransom note mentioning that your files have been encrypted and that you need to pay the ransom. But paying the ransom is not a good solution. This does not guarantee that your files will be restored, so don't ever pay the ransom. Don't waste your money. To remove this ransomware, I recommend you to consider Combo Cleaner Anti-Ransomware. It will help you to remove this ransomware and to protect your files in the future, but it will not decrypt your files. It will not restore your files. Download Combo Cleaner through the website combocleaner.com. Install the program and start researching your system by clicking on Start Scan button. Combo Cleaner would then begin researching and investigating your computer. Initially, it is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option so far is available. The scanning would begin. The scanning, of course, takes place some time. Typically, the scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is, and it may also depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. While the scanning is taking place, please pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called Anti-Ransomware. You may go to Settings and click on Anti-Ransomware tab. You will be able to add certain folders, and the contents of these folders will always be protected against ransomware attack. But that feature is the part of the premium license only. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will be able to know their locations on your computer. I strongly advise that you consider upgrading to premium as the best solution to keep your data always protected in the future.